show you a cool way to make a butterfly knife out of Legos. So it's really simple. Just, I don't have a blade, but I just have these. And so we're going to be working with a 1x16, or two 1x16s, a 2x16 flat, two hinges, two 1x4s, two 1x2s, one 2x8, and one 2x4. So the way that we're going to put this together is we are going to get the 216, and we're going to get the two hinges, and we're just going to put it right on top. Okay, like that. And then we're going to get the two 1x16s, and we're going to just put it like that. And we're going to get the 1x2s and put it right next to the hinges. And then we're going to get the 1x4s and we're going to put it right on top. But make sure it can still open and shut, okay? So just make it open and shut. Then you want to get the 2x4 and you want to stick it right in the middle, right on the blade. And you can use this with any blade, like a Lego blade. And then you take your 2x8 and you put it right over top like this. And that's how you make the Lego butterfly knife. And there's also a different way that you can build it. You can use it with the bigger 2x1 hinges, or, well, it's just basically the same thing. So they're both really cool. And they're both really cool. Okay, thanks for watching my how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Super simple. Subscribe, smash that like button, and I hope you have a wonderful time. See ya.